Hi, if you want to charge your Google Pixel Watch free with the help of your phone, then firstly take this USB-C fast charging cable which goes in a compact with the device, and this magnetic port with 4 pins you need to connect to the back port of your watch so it will fit and click immediately. If it's not clicking like in my case, then simply rotate it like that or rotate your watch and try again so it will click and be secured in this place. And after that, this Type-C port we need to plug in the phone like this. And once it's plugged in, you should see that your watch starts charging. So I can see that it needs to charge 19 minutes to 100%, and my current battery percentage is 85. So if something's not working right in your case, then make sure that your phone includes feature of wireless charging. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.